Is it done?
Oh, there's the fist bump. That's the signal we agreed on. Helen said it was too big, but she's a dork. Anyway, everyone! The Central Park League contract has just been put on hold by the city council.
I feel like you're saying that like it's a big deal, but I don't get why it's a big deal.
It means that soon funds to the park will be cut off, and when those funds are cut off, the park will start to die. And when the park starts to die, people will turn against it, and then they will sell.
That is interesting.
You have my attention?
Enjoy your park while you can, you stupid New Yorkers, 'cause Bitsy's in the big leagues now.
I just want you to know, Gary, I'm sorry. The skaters are as important to the park as plants. I mean, not as important, but very close. Kind of close. Anyway, it'd be great to have you guys back.
And I was just thinking I'd maybe get rid of those signs. They seem kind of...
Uptight.
I was gonna say wordy, but yeah, that too.
All right, it's a deal. Now come out here and spread your legs.
What? Why?
I'm gonna shoot the moon through them.
No.
Yes. Come on! You have the perfect legs for a man to shoot the moon under. Don't waste your gift.
All right. Oh, God.
Beautiful.
Seems like Gary did all the work.
Just go with it. He needs this.
I like to think that's how I came out of Mom.
Gross.
We gotta do it while we can. We gotta do it while we can. We got to do it while we can. There's no time to waste, so take my hand. Let me see the crab walk.
My feet are on fire.
Let me see the iceberg.
Just trying not to fall.
Let me see the grapevine.